At the very top of the Job Editor user interface, you will find a standard menu bar. Under File, you will find options to save any changes that you have made to the current job, discard the changes that you have made since you opened the job or since the last time that you saved any changes, process and hold, or print the current job, cancel processing or printing if it is already started, save as workflow, which will save all of the settings for the current job as a workflow that can be assigned to future jobs when they are imported, and quit Job Editor. If you have made any changes to your job but have not saved them, you will receive a warning when you try to quit Job Editor. If you have made changes to your job but have not saved them, you will receive a warning when you try to quit Job Editor. Under Edit, you will find options that you will use when working with individual images within a nesting job. In addition to traditional cut, copy, and paste, you will find a clone option. This option allows you to easily duplicate individual images within a nesting job. Select All is used to select every image within a nesting job, while selecting Update Layout will optimize the layout of images within your nesting job after you have made modifications. Selecting Child Jobs for nesting jobs will open a window listing each of the jobs that were combined to create the nesting and provide additional control over nesting elements. Details on how to use these options will be found in the Fiery XF7 e-learning course Job 102 Layout Options. The final option on the Edit menu will allow you to change the current measurement unit for the current job. Now this is a temporary change. If you close Job Editor and reopen the job or a different job, Job Editor will have automatically reverted to the default measurement unit selection for Fiery Command Workstation. Under View, you will find the options for controlling the size of the preview image of your job in the preview window. There are options to zoom in, out, zoom to actual size, fit to sheet, fit to width, or fit to selection, which is especially useful when used with nesting jobs when you want to zoom right into a specific job that is placed inside the nesting layout. Note also that there is a set of quick keys that you could also use to make the same changes to the preview. It should also be noted that any change you make to the scaling of the preview image in no way affects how your job will print. Scaling of the job and scaling of the preview are two independent settings. Another feature is the ability to set guides and snap to those guides, used when working with images in the nesting job. If you left-click in either of the rulers in the preview window and hold the mouse button down, you can drag guides onto the preview area. You can then use these guides when aligning images in nesting jobs. You have options to snap to these guides or snap to grids or other objects. The Clear Guides option will remove any of the guides that you have added to your job. You should know also that any guides you add to your job will not be printed. They are used as an aid in aligning images only. Under the Visual Aids drop-down menu, you will find options to select or deselect visual aids, such as rulers, guides, grids, and other elements. At the bottom of the Visual Aids menu is an option to turn on or off all of the visual aids. Finally, under Help, on a computer with internet access, you will find a link to help documentation, which can also be accessed by using the F1 key on your keyboard. This completes this module.